Hello! Namaste! Mabuhay! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Hands On Happy Hands. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon. Thank you! Happy hands making! Today's fantastic art and craft video is about Diya and Diya Stand DIY. This is wonderfully made for Diwali. Diwali is one of the most popular festivals of Hinduism. Diwali symbolizes the spiritual victory of light over darkness, good over evil, and knowledge over ignorance. If you'd like to know more about Diwali and Rangoli, please check my other video, Rangoli Design for Diwali. And now, I will show you how to make DIY Diya and Diya Stand with some interesting informations about it. Diya is an oil lamp. The word Diya is also called dip or dipak. It is usually made from clay. You will put cotton wick and dip it in ghee or vegetable oil. As we are doing in India, every day, twice, in the morning and evening, every household has a custom of lighting a diya. This is a part of our prayer. Diya is essential in Hinduism because it signifies purity, goodness, good luck, and power. All ceremonies, daily worship, rituals, auspicious functions, religious occasions, as well as new ventures start with lighting of the lamp. Lighting of diyas are very deeply intertwined with Hindu culture and tradition. During Diwali, houses are decorated with small diyas placed on entrances of the home and at the boundaries or corner. The oil in the diya symbolizes negativity in the human mind. The cotton wick symbolizes our soul, and the lighting of diya symbolizes getting rid of selfish thoughts. May the lamp of soul shine with the oil of purity. May the wick of wickedness burn under the fire of truth. May the goddess Lakshmi guide you out through every streak of negativity and bless you with health and prosperity. May the lights of Diwali Diyas fill your home with wealth, happiness, and everything that brings you joy. May this Diwali come with a beautiful beginning, fresh hope, bright days, and new dreams. Wish you and your entire family a very happy Diwali. Please like and share the video, and remember to subscribe to my channel Hands on Happy Hands with me, Princess. Thank you very much for watching.